Hi guys, hope so you are fine and you are doing well. Right now I'm in the front of University of Ljubljana, which is so this is the oldest campus in the capital of Slovenia. So university is the name based Ljubljana. So Ljubljana is the capital of Slovenia. So this is the famous university in Slovenia, and you can see here it's night view. It's a 100-year old university. This is the oldest campus. Okay, I will show you more something. What a beautiful view at night time. Okay, we come little bit closer. As I have already told to you about this university, this is the oldest university. It's more than 100 years. 100 years ago, the first lectures was given in this campus. So that's why they have preserved these buildings, and it's renovated in 1992. See here. White flowers, my favorite flowers. Today I was free, that's why I'm making these small videos for you. I hope so you like it, and you will enjoy to see this. I'm really impressed by the Slovenian education system. They have the small nations. It's around 2.5 millions, and they are well-educated people. So, in the Balkans countries, they are the smart nations in the Balkan countries. So that's why I like this, and I have choose the University of Ljubljana School of Economics and Business. So I'm here. And you know, the School of Economics and Business is the 1% in the world ranking, and School of Economics is the second at the in European ranking. And there's a lot of programs which is at the prestigious ranking in the Europe. So that's why more students are coming. And Ljubljana is a small city. It's the greenest capital in the Europe, and it's clean, neat. So in one day you can visit the whole city. It's not big. It's surrounded by mountains, and it's hilly area. I hope so you like this, and if you need more information you can comment here, and I will respond your comments.